Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys a day in the life, kind of see how I work, what it's like backstage behind the scenes of a shoot before it's out. So I'm a little under the weather because I just got vaccinated like a few days ago, and it's starting to hit me after I hit the 24-hour mark. But I'm gonna push through it. It's a very exciting, very important shoot. It's a cover shoot. And yeah, I'm really excited to take you guys along with me. I'm just gonna get ready and then we'll head out. So come on. Alright, so when I'm getting ready for a photo shoot, it really depends on the location, what we're doing. So if I were to shoot at a location like a desert or something, I would definitely be having like a hat on, some SPF, probably no makeup. Today we are shooting in a hotel, a really cool new hotel here in Dubai, and it's quite chill, the atmosphere. So I'm dressed casual, but I can still have some fun with what I'm wearing, and also I'm trying to feel better. So that's the thing. Look good, feel good, right? Come on, you guys, let's get downstairs, get in the car, and hit the road. Everything has been packed already. My hair kit is always ready to go in my car in case I do have something last minute like this. And yeah, let's get going. So a night before a shoot, we usually get something called a mood board. It'll go through the looks, what's the inspiration, and then I will come to my beautiful station of products and prepare my products for the shoot. So a lot of them are missing because they've been packed and ready to go. If I have any hair extensions that are required or wigs, I also get them from my station, color match, and all that fun stuff. So let's go. Okay, so I'm in the car, you guys. I'm getting ready to head out. It's about a 15-minute drive, so I'll see you guys there. Just made it to the hotel. This is where we are shooting. The hotel is very futuristic looking, and it's just perfect for the shoot. We want it to be very different than anything we've done before, and it's just the greatest setup. Hey guys! Discussing hair and makeup. And then here we've got the wardrobe being prepared. Everything's being put together, and I think this is where we'll be shooting. So for Zainab's look today, we decided we're gonna go with a slick ponytail. So I've set up everything that I need for that. It's not much, but I like to put it on a towel, make sure anything that's actually gonna be on her hair is clean and ready to go, and the products are at hand. You ready? Just finished Zainab's hair. We have this sleek, shiny high pony, and now she'll be getting her makeup done so we can start shooting. Alright, Kawa, let us know the inspiration behind the photo shoot and what we're expecting.
So basically our idea is to bringing futuristic look to life with a very sophisticated and a touch of the heritage of the place where we are, which is designed by Zaha Hadid, with a lot of architectural touch and all of that. So we wanted to keep the look for the hair very slick, very minimal, but at the same time also giving it a very clean shape. And we decided to have a high ponytail for that, with a lot of nice shine into the texture. That's the idea for the hair.
Perfect, thank you. Deciding how we're gonna shoot the look, the location, and the order. Obsessed with this look, Valentino and off-white. That's it, you guys. That's a wrap on our Harpers Bazaar Turkey cover with Art Factory and Zainab. I'm so excited to show you guys the final result, and I'm really happy that I was able to take you guys behind the scenes and show you guys all the hard work that goes into creating these images. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.